Everybody, Corey here with WP Zone. Over the past few years, the folks over at Elegant Themes have made significant strides in making Divi and WooCommerce super compatible. And what I mean by that is that Divi now has multiple different modules, WooCommerce modules that have been released that help users build carts, shops, checkouts, and things like that. Now, there is one glaring flaw that exists between Divi and WooCommerce, and that is that the Divi Search Module does not actually search WooCommerce products. So for Divi users, that can prove to be somewhat of a problem. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you a really handy code snippet that you can find on our website at wpzone.co, and I'm going to link that in this video. And so I'm going to show you how to install that on your site, and then show you how that works on the front end in searching products and tags and things like that within the Divi Search Module. Another thing that you can do is check out our Product Divi Shop Builder, and that actually has an option in it that you can just tick and enable this code that will allow the search module to pick up on the WooCommerce products. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and I'll show you how to get this done. Okay, so here we are on a Divi website. It's built using the theme builder. So the header up here is all Divi modules, and we have WooCommerce installed, and we have some different products added to the shop. So if your customers are coming to this website and they're wanting to search for products, they might come in here and see your shop and want to just use your search bar up top. So for example, you can see here we have a product called Cool Jacket, and it's got jacket. It's got jacket in the product name. We've got blouse, different products like that. But when I come up here to the search bar on the site, which is powered by the Divi Search Module, and put in jacket and do a search for that, you'll see that no results come up. So same thing with product tags. I can put in a product tag. I know for a fact a tag that I have on this website is cotton, and that's kind of just for explaining the tagging, like the fabrics that different products are using. So we put in a part of a product name, a tag, and we're not getting any search results. So this is going to be very frustrating for your customers who are trying to navigate around your e-commerce website and trying to find the product that they're looking for. And to me, it just doesn't really make sense that the native Divi search module doesn't support searching for WooCommerce products and tags and things like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to install this code snippet that we've written over here at WP Zone. And I'm going to show you how to install this on your Divi website. And then I'll take you back to the front end and show you how the search module is now working and picking these items up. So if you head over to wpzone.co, you can take a look at all of our code snippets that we have under the start here drop down, and we have Divi code snippets, and we've got all kinds of different helpful snippets for you to use on your Divi website. So this one here, we kind of explain some of the background on why we created it. And then down here, we have instructions on how to add this code snippet to your Divi and WordPress website. So here we want to take this code that we have down below, and we want to add that to the functions.php file of our Divi child theme that we have installed on our website. Now, in this lesson, I'm not going to show you how to install child themes, but you do want to make sure that you have a child theme installed so that these changes that you're adding, these customizations, don't get overwritten when you do a Divi update in the future. So this is placing it in a child theme is going to show you how to, is going to prevent that from being overwritten. So from this article, we do link to an article to show you how to create a child theme. And if you don't know how, then you can just kind of follow this process and we'll show that to you. But for now, I'm going to assume that you already have a child theme installed. And we're going to add this code snippet down here to your functions.php file. So here we are on the back end of our hosting. Let me just come up here a little bit. I'll go to so your hosting panel might look a little bit different depending. This here is Plesk. This is our custom WP Zone hosting dashboard that we have here. This will look a little bit different if you're using cPanel, but overall it's going to be the same. You're going to want to, in your hosting, go to your file manager. And then you're going to go to WP content and themes. And then you're going to look for the child theme that you've installed. So this particular child theme that we have installed and active on the website right now is WooCommerce for Divi course. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see within here that we have the functions.php file. And there's already some code in here that's added when you do upload one of our custom child themes from our child theme creator. There's a little bit of code that's already added in here. So what I'm going to do is just tab down a couple of spaces here, and I'm going to copy the code here in our snippet, copy that to our clipboard. And then I'm just going to head back over to our file manager where I've opened the functions.php file and paste that in. So you can see here, we do have this notated as kind of what this code adds to your website here. And so that has now been added in, and I'm going to click save. And really that's all you're going to need to do. Really simple process, but you always want to head over to the front end, check out your website, make sure everything's looking okay, and then test out and make sure that the snippet is working for you. And you can do that just like we did before, just by going up and using the search function of your website. So I'm just going to refresh that. And so now let's go type in jacket. Okay, so now the jacket product is being picked up on. And I'm also going to search by a tag. I'm going to use the cotton tag that we used in the previous example. And it's also picking up on products that are tagged with cotton. So you can see this is a very simple solution to a problem that I'm sure a lot of people using Divi and WooCommerce have experienced. So if you do have any questions or issues using this code snippet, please feel free to let us know at hello@wpzone.co, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. And also, as I mentioned, if you don't want to go through the process of adding this code to your website, we also have this as a setting in our products Divi Shop Builder. So there's a setting in there that you can just tick a box and enable this code on your website. And that is also a very easy way to implement this on your website. So thank you for listening in, and we'll talk to you soon.